awesomeness, awesomeness. Texas Dutch oven cooking is coming to you. It's coming. Hang on. Hey folks, come on in.
I'm coming.
It's PAPATexas.
And Billy from
Billy.
Strong's Adventures.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna explain this to you because I've been talking about it a lot. So what I'm starting off with, y'all see that? Get you one of those if you want to be a part of this, because I'm using recipes from this book and this book, okay? Billy's side of it, he's gonna be doing an enhanced version, and we're fixing to show you some of our setups that you'll be seeing in our videos.
Yeah.
For Texas Dutch oven cooking. Yeah. So you're gonna see setups like this. This is Billy's
My
hook system.
My hook setup.
All that. You're gonna see that. Swing tables. He built this. Some of it. We're gonna be showing you how to use all this stuff. Even a charcoal chimney. Yeah. You're gonna see us cook on a tripod. Yeah.
We're gonna show y'all cooking on a Dutch oven table. Lots of stuff on the Dutch oven table.
Yeah. We're also gonna be cooking on a tire rim. Yeah. And I put a plate on top of it, holes in it. Works fantastic for your Dutch oven. See? Tire rim. Yeah. And we're also gonna be cooking on the ground. So get you one of them books, follow us along. Right? All right, so that's what you're gonna get from us in 2019. Texas Dutch oven cooking. Yeah. Get that book, follow us along. Fixing to use it today.
Texas and Louisiana.
Texas.
Texas.
Yeah. See ya.